Today I'm going to be reviewing this Water Buffalo backpack. So this is actually a hydration backpack. I'm going to go ahead and show you the features of it. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product. So I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, it is actually pretty lightweight. It is not too heavy, and it's actually the perfect size, especially if you're going to go hiking, you're going to go riding a bike, you're going to go running, walking. This is a great addition to any of those activities. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the features now. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it around, show you the back. So as you can see, it looks like a typical backpack. It does have this strap right here, so you can go ahead and adjust it, tie it around. So you'll actually wear it like a backpack. I do like that it has the reflectors right there. And again, you want to go ahead and adjust this, and you want to go ahead and tie it. So it's not going to move around on you. It is nice and snug. Here you have your water tube, and it does have a cap also. So you'll go ahead and remove the cap and then drink freely. It's easy to take off. All you got to do is press down, snap it off. Again, it's like a regular backpack. Now on the back side here, I do want to show you, give you a close-up. It does have like these mesh padded sides. Then now here in the front is where your bladder is going to go. So this is where you're going to actually put the water into. And this is what it looks like. It is a total of 2 liters. Now there is a variety of color options available. I got this one in the white and black, but they have it in blue, they have it in red. And then here it does have like this adjustable strap. So you can actually tie like another extra water bottle if you choose to the front, or anything else you wanted to hold. Now on the front side here, it does have a front pocket. I'll go ahead and open it. So you could go ahead and put any snacks, your phone, your keys, anything like that. So it does have that little pocket in the front, and it has like a little Velcro snap to go ahead and close it back up. The quality itself is actually really nice. Like I mentioned, it does have the reflectors right here in the front, and it also has them right here on the back side. So especially if you are using this during the night or before the sun comes up, then that's definitely helpful. But overall, I actually like the quality. I think it's a pretty lightweight. I think overall, this is going to go ahead and get you through your workout or your activity of the day. If you've been out on the lookout for a good quality hydration backpack, then definitely check this one out. If you want to see the different color options available, or you just want to go ahead and check them out for yourself, I'll leave the link down below. You go ahead and click on it, and also make sure to like and follow for more reviews.